Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the TikTok viral queso, and I'll also be showing you how to make these amazing nachos with that queso, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing our ingredients. First, dice 1 tomato, one red onion, and 2 jalapeños. Then finely chop some cilantro. When you're finished, set your ingredients to the side. Now we're going to make some guacamole. First, cut open 2 avocados and remove the seeds. Then, using a spoon, scoop out the avocado and place it in a bowl. Next, use a potato masher or a fork to mash the avocados. Once you have finished mashing up the avocados, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of lime juice, a 1/4 cup of diced red onions, 1 tablespoon of diced jalapeños, 1 tablespoon of cilantro, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, set your guacamole to the side. Now we're going to move on and make some Pico de Gallo. In a bowl, add the diced tomato we prepared before, 1/2 cup of diced onions, 1 tablespoon of diced jalapeños, 1 tablespoon of cilantro, the juice of 1 lime, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together until well combined and then set your Pico de Gallo to the side. Next, we're going to make the queso. Cut 1 pound of sliced American cheese into small pieces. Then, cut 1 pound of sliced pepper jack cheese into small pieces as well. Next, in a large bowl over low heat, add the American cheese and pepper jack cheese. Then add 1 diced jalapeno, 2 12-ounce cans of evaporated milk, and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Mix everything together until well combined and then continuously stir the mixture until the cheese has completely melted. You'll know when the queso is done once the cheese is melted and everything is well combined. Once you have finished making the queso, we can move on to the next step. Next, we're going to cook some ground meat to go on our tacos. In a pan over medium heat, add olive oil. Then add 1 pound of the ground meat of your choice. I'm using turkey meat. After you've placed it in the pan, break it up. Then add your seasonings. I added seasoned salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Then continue to cook your ground meat until it has browned. Once you have finished cooking your ground meat, prepare a packet of taco seasoning mix. To do this, all you have to do is mix 1 packet of taco seasoning and 2/3 cup of water together. When you're finished, add the taco seasoning to your ground meat. Then mix everything together and let your mixture simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. During this time, make sure to stir occasionally. Once you have finished cooking your ground meat, you can begin assembling your nachos. Begin by adding some tortilla chips to a plate. Then add some shredded Mexican blend cheese, the ground meat we prepared before, some queso, some sliced jalapeños, and some pico de gallo. Then repeat the same layers as before. Next, drizzle on some sour cream. Add a scoop of guacamole. And finally, sprinkle some cilantro on top. And that's it, you are all finished making your nachos. And this is the finished result. These nachos were so good, and the queso tasted just like the queso you would get at a restaurant. The nachos and queso were super easy to make. 10 out of 10 would totally recommend. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!